rains. I don't know, leading from the tunnel down to the water pump. Let's check it out. Wow. You hear that? The water loud. Boom, boom. Hear it again? Ooh. Wow, that sounds terrifying, I'll be honest. Oh yeah, that's terrifying. Did you just see the darkness? Oh, that's loud. It drags down here. Wow, that thing is getting louder and louder. Hope a whole tsunami of water doesn't come rushing down here. Man, this is insane. See, from Google Maps, you see a lot of things, but once you're down there, it's a whole different story. And I can't go into there anymore. As you see, it's sealed up. But just the noise is just non-stop.